A sudden pitch change, a deadly collision, and 67 lives lost. What really happened in the skies over Washington, D.C.? Preliminary data reveals the American Airlines flight increased its pitch just before the impact with a Black Hawk helicopter. The Black Hawk was training to evacuate government officials in the event of a catastrophe when it collided with the passenger jet. Investigators are working tirelessly to transcribe audio from the voice recorders. Initial data shows the helicopter may have been flying above its allowed altitude in the corridor. The American Airlines plane was flying at around 325 feet at the time of the impact. Air traffic controllers reported the helicopter at 200 feet, an unexplained discrepancy. If the impact occurred at 325 feet, the helicopter was well above the 200 feet limit. The helicopter was using specialized corridors for law enforcement and government helicopters. Investigators currently lack the readout from the Black Hawk to confirm its altitude. Flight tracking data shows the helicopter flying 100 feet above its allowed altitude. President Trump and Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth have raised concerns about the helicopter's altitude. The helicopter's black box voice recorder has been recovered with no exterior damage. The National Transportation Safety Board has begun interviewing air traffic control personnel. The slight increase in pitch could indicate the pilots trying to avoid the helicopter. The discrepancy in altitudes will be a major focus of the investigation. The crash killed 67 people, including 3 Army aviators in the Black Hawk. Pilots frequently fly along the Potomac River and past D.C.'s Reagan National Airport for various missions. Reports suggest the collision may be part of a larger problem with near misses at Reagan National Airport. The mid-air collision marks the deadliest aviation disaster in the U.S. since 2001.